Hello friends, now we are going to learn circles and loops to final hooks. First of all, you know very well about circles, how they are. This is a circle, this is also circle. This is small circle, this is large circle. Already we learned, we practiced also. Next, loops. You know very well loops also. ST loop, star loop, small loop, large loop. How we can use, already we know about this. Next, final hooks. Already we learned in previous class, they are final hooks. How the final hooks we know very well. For example, I am writing here. These are all called as final hooks. Final place means final hooks. Okay, in these final hooks, which sounds are there? N hook, F hook, and V hook. And also one thing we have to remember, N, F, V sounds are used for straight strokes. Already we learned how they are P N hook, B N hook, T N hook, etc. F, P F hook, B F hook, T F hook, etc. strokes. P F hook, V hook, B V hook, T V hook, etc. Already we learned for straight strokes. For curved strokes, we learned only N sound. How they are final hooks means F N hook, V, ith, S, M, N, etc. But there is no F and V hooks for curved strokes. Okay, you know very well. There is no F and V hooks for curved strokes. Only we used N sound for curved strokes. Up to that we know very well. Now we are going to add circles and loops to final hooks. Now I am writing how they are. P, B, T, D, J, J, K, G, straight strokes. For these strokes I am adding N hook. Just you observe. These are all I am giving for examples only to identify and to understand well. If I put a vowel in second place, it is called pen, ben, ten, den, chain, jane, cane, gain. Okay, as well as I am writing P, P, F hook, B, T, D, J, J, K, F hook, G, F hook. This is F hook, this is N hook. Now I am writing V hook for straight strokes. P, V hook, B, T, D, J, J, K, G. There is no any difference for F and V hooks. Both are used for straight strokes. Just to concentrate, these are all straight strokes. Now we are discussing about circles and loops to final hooks. Now I am adding circles to final hooks. This is called final hook only. These are all final hooks. Now I am adding circles. Actually what it is, how we can pronounce it, P, A sound and N hook. It is called pen, ben, ten, den, chain or chain, jane, cane, gain. Now I am adding a circle for N and S. It is called N hook and S sound. It is NS sound. Now it is called as pens, bens, tens, dens, chens, gens, kens, gens. I think you understood it. Now I am adding F. Okay, this is paf, baf, taf, def or def accordingly. Chef, jeff, kef, gaf. Okay, now I am adding a circle for F, I mean straight stroke P, F hook, and I want to add circle. Here I added circle, pens, bends, etc. Now I am adding a circle for F. Just you observe here. If I add like this, just you observe here, I am adding a circle like this. Okay, now I am reading it. Pay plus, yes, it is called pace, base, tace, days, chase, jace, case, guess, that's all. But where is F? Okay, there is no any F. I think you are getting one doubt here. For NS it is very feasible to understand, but here just you are getting a doubt here. Where is F? Already I wrote F, V like this. This is F, V, etc. But just I added a circle for F and V. In this case, the F and V sounds are closed in circle only. That's why we are unable to identify it now. How it is called? Pace, base, tace, days, chase, jace, case, gaze, etc. That's why, my dear friends, what I am writing here, P, F hook, pef, and if you want to add a circle for final hooks, that is F, you have to write a circle inside only. B, F hook, and just to add a circle inside like this. T, F hook inside. D, F hook inside. Ch, inside. J, inside. K, inside. G, inside. Now it is very identical to read. Paves, baves, taves, daves, chaves, javes, caves, gaves, etc. It is identical. In the same way, V plus S. This is pave, paves, baves, taves, daves, chaves, javes, caves, gives, etc. This is just for identical. Just I am giving a model like this. Okay, here I pronounced it as V sound, but it is F. There is no any difference for F and V, but according to sound we can put F and V sounds there. Okay, it is called pafes, bafes, tapes, dafes, chafes, etc. I think you understand well. Okay, this is the situation here for straight strokes. Okay, can I write a few examples for this? Okay, I am writing D, A, da, D, N hook, don, D, N hook and circle just I added, dance. D, if I write a large circle, it is dances. D, inside circle, ST loop closed, danced it is. Okay, da, don, dance, dances, danced like that. Of course, dunster also, stir loop is there, no? Done inside, no? Dunster. Da, don, dance, dances, danced, dunster like that. P, N hook on the line, second place. Pen, pens, expense, expenses, expansed, expansed like this. You have to practice. Or few more. Spin, spins, spinster, spinsters, etc. Okay, this is the case of for inside circles. Okay, okay, this is the case. Now I am going to tell you few examples for curved strokes. You know very well what are the curved strokes. F, V, it, the, s, z, ish, g, m, n, ing, l, r, etc. These are all called as curved strokes only. Okay, final place. This is final place. That's why just I'm adding a hook. If I add a hook, it is called nothing but final hook, no? Okay, for curved strokes, which sound is there for if we add a final hook, it is nothing but N sound, no? If I write above the line fan, fen, fin, it, N hook, than, then, it, N hook, thin, okay? Man, men, moon, etc. These are just for understanding I am writing. Okay, only N hook is there for curved strokes, we know very well. Okay, for these final hooks we have to add a circle, that means N plus S. Okay, now I am going to write a few examples here. F I N E, F I N E S, V I N E, V I N E S, S H I N E, S H I N E S, E A R N, E A R N S, okay, etc. Now I am going to write strokes. Fine means this is fine, wine means wine, this is shine, this is earn. Okay, now I am adding plural here. Just you observe what I am writing here. NS, NS, NS and NS. Okay, now I am writing stroke also inside circle. I mean I am writing a circle inside the hook. Okay, like this. Finds, wines, shines, earns. Okay, just you also observe my pronunciation. Fine, finds, wine, wines, shine, shines, earn, earns. I think you are observing my pronunciation. Okay, now I am going to write a few more examples. with these examples you can know the difference between why I am telling you to concentrate on the etc. Okay, now I am going to write FENCE EVINCE LANCE MINCE THENCE. My dear friends, please observe here. Okay, C C C. The sound is S. Common sound is S only. Here also the common sound is S only. Okay, now I am writing the strokes here. Fence, fence, Evans, Lance, Mince, Thence. I think, yes. I think you are getting a doubt. There is no doubt at all, my dear friends. That's why just I told you. Okay, fine, finds, wine, wines, shine, shines, earn, earns. I think you observed CE, the difference. What is the difference here? NS and NCE. I mean, this is also S sound, S sound. Okay, with NS it is heavy sound. With N and C it is light sound. Whenever you are pronouncing the heavy sound, it is feasible to write inside curves. Inside curves. But whenever you are writing a light sound, just to write full strokes. This is the difference here. Okay, by practice you can know very well. Okay, here heavy sound, these are all heavy sound, these are all light sound. That's why just I wrote full stroke. How you can identify with the spelling also you can identify it. C C C C N S S S S. Here S sound, here C sound. That is the only difference there. Just you can observe. Okay, or likewise just we can. Okay. Next, one more important thing here in this lesson, I am writing medial NS or NZ. Okay, medial NS or NZ. For which what we have to do, medial NS and NZ, according to rule, what Pitman sir told us, you have to write full strokes for feasibility or better understanding. Now I am going to give few examples here. Pensive, PENSIV, pensive. Density, I am giving only few examples for identification. In the book few more examples are there for practice, just you may practice like this. Okay, pensive. Okay, NS, medial NS, medial NS, medial NS. That's why for medial NS we have to write full stroke, but we don't want to write pen, pens, pens, eve, den, dense, density, John, Johns, Johnson. I think you are observing what I am writing. Okay, these are all not feasible to write. It is not convenient to write like these strokes. That's why Pitmans are given instructions for us to write full strokes. Pensive means just to write like this. Pensive, density, Johnson. Okay, like this. These are all correct. Okay, like this. One more I am going to give here. Few words I am giving here, just to observe. LONE SOME, lonesome. RANSOM, ransom. WINSOME, winsome. HANSOM, lonesome, ransom, winsome, handsome. Loan means, this is called loan. Ran means ran. Win means win. Han means, this is han. We know very well up to this. Okay. These are also here, just to observe. NS, NS. What Pitmans are given instructions for us? Medial NS or NZ should write full strokes, no? Likewise, just we wrote here pensive, density, Johnson. Now let us see, if we write full stroke, how the strokes will be. Lonesome, no? Full strokes means L N some, lonesome. Ransom, winsome, handsome. Okay, this is one type. Accordingly, what Pitmans are told to write NS or NZ medial full strokes. These are all full strokes, no? Now I am writing in another direction, just to observe the strokes, the same strokes. Loan, I am adding some, lonesome. Ran, I am adding ransom. Win, winsome. Han, handsome. Okay, my dear friends, just to observe which is feasible one here to easily identified. Is it this one or this one? Yeah, I think you are doing well. It is inconvenient to write, and also these strokes are looking very big. Even to write it is not convenient. Okay, they are very lengthy. Just to compare here, lonesome, it is very good and neat to very neat it is for identification. Lonesome, ransom, winsome, handsome. That's why, my dear friends, just to follow. Okay, these are all correct compared to this. Okay, my dear friends, for convenience, just we have to write like this. But the rule medial NS is not applicable for these strokes, lonesome, ransom, winsome, handsome, because it is not convenient. These are all very convenient to write like this, and identification also. Okay, my dear friends, this is the story of circles and loops to final hooks. Thank you very much. If you get any doubt, please post your views, etc., your questions like that. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you very much. Be practice well. Thank you.